Summer is here, and that means fun in the sun. But too much exposure to the sun can lead to painful sunburns. If you're suffering from sunburned skin, don't worry. In this video, we'll share with you 10 effective home remedies to soothe your sunburned skin. First on our list is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce redness and swelling. Simply cut open an aloe vera leaf and apply the gel directly to the affected area. Next up is cucumber. Cucumber contains antioxidants and can help soothe the skin. Simply slice a cucumber and place the slices on the affected area. Oatmeal is another great remedy for sunburned skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce itching. Mix some oatmeal with water to create a paste and apply it to your sunburned skin. Applying a cold compress to your sunburned skin can also help relieve pain and swelling. Use a clean towel soaked in cold water and gently place it on the affected area. Coconut oil is another great remedy for sunburned skin. It has moisturizing properties and can help reduce inflammation. Simply apply coconut oil to your sunburned skin. Vinegar is also known to help relieve sunburn pain. Mix some vinegar with water and apply the solution to your sunburned skin using a cotton ball. Witch hazel is a natural astringent that can help reduce inflammation and soothe sunburned skin. Apply witch hazel to your sunburned skin using a cotton ball. Tea bags, particularly black tea bags, can also help relieve sunburn pain. The tannins in black tea have anti-inflammatory properties. Simply steep a few tea bags in boiling water, let them cool, and place them on your sunburned skin. Honey is another natural remedy for sunburned skin. It has antibacterial properties and can help reduce inflammation. Simply apply honey to your sunburned skin. Finally, lavender essential oil can also help relieve sunburn pain. It has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Mix a few drops of lavender essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and apply it to your sunburned skin. We hope you found these 10 effective home remedies for sunburned skin helpful. Remember to always wear sunscreen and limit your time in the sun to avoid getting sunburned in the first place. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.